Let's take a look at the last question. Finn is looking at a map of his basement shown below. Finn thinks he should use the equation 3 times 3 plus 10 plus times 5 to solve for area. Do you agree with Finn's thinking? Explain why or why not. How can we determine if Finn is correct or incorrect? Say it out loud. Yes, we can determine if Finn is correct by solving the problem on our own first and then comparing our thinking with Finn's thinking. What step should we take first in order to solve this problem? Say it out loud. I heard some scholars say that we should partition this irregular figure into 2 rectangles by drawing a line from the inside corner down to the 5, across to the 5 centimeter line. To make 2 rectangles. Great work. What can we do next to solve the problem? Say it out loud. Right. Since we know the length and the width of the rectangle at the top, we can solve for the area. The length of the rectangle is 3 centimeters, and the width of the rectangle is 3 centimeters. We can multiply to find the area of this rectangle, which is correct, 9 square centimeters. What do you have to do next? Say it out loud. Yes, we know the length of the bottom rectangle is 10 centimeters, but we don't know the width. We need to find the width of this rectangle. How can we do that? Say it out loud. I heard some scholars say that we can use the longer width on the right side and the part of the width on the left side to help us find the missing piece. Since we know that the sum of the 2 smaller parts are equal to the total of the opposite side, which is 5 centimeters, we can subtract 3 from 5 to find the missing side. Which is correct, 2 centimeters. Now that we know that the missing width is 2 centimeters, how can we use this information to solve for the area of the bottom rectangle? Say it out loud. Correct. We can multiply the length, which is 10 centimeters, by the width, which is 2 centimeters, which gives us, correct, 20 square centimeters. What equation could we use to find the area of the total figure? Say it out loud. Yes, we can use 3 times 3 to represent the area of the top rectangle, plus 10 times 2, which represents the area of the bottom rectangle, equals A. to find the total area. Does this equation match what Finn was thinking? Evaluate. Finn's thinking starts off correctly by multiplying the length and the width of the top rectangle to get the area. But Finn multiplies 10 by 5, which is not correct because the width of 5 is for the whole figure and not the width for the bottom rectangle. Finn needed to use only the part of that side which was included in the bottom rectangle. If he subtracted the part he had, 3, from the whole 5, then Finn would have found that the width of the bottom rectangle is 2 centimeters, not 5. So Finn's thinking is not correct. Great job.